Oh crap, this right here, I'm a little scared. I'm a lot scared. Oh crap, here we go. Why did I just get airtime on that pole? Oh my god! Ah! Holy crap! Oh, this is amazing! Oh jeez, that was more airtime! That's some sort of random awesome twistiness, airtime, more twistiness, upside down, twisty, upside down. Oh my god, holy crap, airtime, into the brake. Holy crap, that was amazing, holy crap, amazing, awesome. I can't believe that. Oh my god, is the ride still going? That was insane, intense, amazing, awesome. Oh, look at the circle. Hello, circle. How are you? I'm okay, Rob. I'm just a circle. See you later, circle. Oh my god. All right, guys, are you ready for a backseat ride on this? I am not ready for it. Oh my god. Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. Oh, it is filled with all kinds of RMC awesomeness. Oh my god. Oh, whee! I don't even know what that was. I think that was a straight part, but it felt like a twisty, upside down, airtime filled part. Like the rest of this. Oh crap. Oh, holy crap. Shit. Poop just came out of me. Oh my gosh. I seriously, it takes me a moment to catch my breath after riding this. Like, this is how roller coasters are supposed to be. Not boring and mild. They're supposed to be awesome, kick-ass, balls to the wall, have to catch your breath. This is how roller coasters should be made. Way to go, RMC. You guys are the best. And that's a circle.